Good morning, Norte. This is Jan Victoria of the VXVPH Northern Luzon subgroup. So in this video, I just want to have some few talks to you guys regarding doon sa mga bagong members natin, yung mga bagong pasok dito sa ating official group here in Luzon. Now, one thing you might ask is, what is VXV? Okay, so VXV is a community of all the Filipino artists, digital artists, enthusiasts, and learners regarding the field of digital art, which aims to unite and support all of them. Okay? So, if you have a Facebook account, which is, it's a must na dapat may Facebook account ka, you can visit the main Facebook page of the VXVPH. Just type for VectorX Vexel PH. You can clearly see the logo later if you type that like this. This one. You can like the main page to know the different news or updates of some artists dun sa ating main page. Okay, so if we have a main page, by the way, this is the main group of the VectorX Vexel Philippines, this one. So a lot of members here. You can see 390. Marami na yan. Kasi dati, I think it was around 800, and then earlier nagkaroon kasi ng filtering dati, nabawasan yung mga members. So this 390 members came from different regions here in Philippines. So far, ito mga to puro active yung mga yan. So napunta sila dito sa main group. Anyways, so here in our official group here in Northern Luzon, you can see our logo. So V with 3 stars and sun, Pilipinong dating. Okay, so yun yung VXV. Ano pa ba? Okay, isa pa sa tanong nyo, sino ba yung mga dapat sumali? Okay, so anyone na gustong matuto, gustong mas ma-explore yung kanilang artistic side, lalong-lalo na sa art, siguro ang pinaka-con lang dito, pinaka-requirement na lang is medyo dapat active ka sa social networking, plus at least meron kang you have knowledge sa mga photo editing applications or editing applications such as Photoshop, kasi mainly Photoshop ang ginagamit dito. Photoshop, Illustrator, okay. So, kung wala kang basic knowledge regarding doon sa mga binanggit kong applications, siguro I suggest magkaroon muna kayo ng konting learning regarding those applications. Mag-enroll kayo sa tech skills. Okay, or you can have self-taught. Punta ka sa YouTube, how to use Photoshop, how to use AI. Okay, as much as possible, mayroon kang background regarding doon, kasi para malaman mo kung anong ibig sabihin. May mga terminologies kasi tayo dito later nagagamitin. Baka kasi magtaka kayo, manibago kayo kung ano yung mga yon. Okay, so what else? Anong ginagawa dito sa group? Normally, to post your works, tapos pa o hindi tapos. Okay, kung hindi man tapos, pwede mo siyang i-post, and then other artists will comment on it. Mas mapapangganda mo yon, Okay, so for example dito we have whip. Ano nga bang ibig sabihin ng whip? Okay, this whip or this artwork was created by Mr. Arian Dave Rosales. So, ito yung kanyang screenshot ng ginagawa niya. I think he is working with Illustrator. No? So, hindi pa niya tapos. Kaya nilagyan niya ng whip. Ano ba yung whip? It is working in progress. So, pag maglalagay kayo ng in progress works nyo dito, you better go to photos. Hanapin nyo yung whip folder. Dito kayo mag-upload para malinis yung ating para malinis yung page natin. Okay. So, siguro, as you post your whip, medyo antayin mo. Baka may mag-comment ka agad. Ganun, no? Hindi ka lang basta nag-post then out. Okay. So, ayan. You can see, there's some interactions together with his fellow artists. Okay. Ayan. So, we have a lot of members here. So, let's welcome them. Sino itong mga to? Ito, si Mr. Ramser, or RMZ TV. And welcome also to sino pa ba? Ella Lauren Bolatao. So welcome. At let me refresh again kung may updates. Okay. So, yun. We have whips. Yung mga hindi pa tapos. At saka meron tayong finished outputs na. Siguro pag yung mga finished piece nyo na yung ilalagay ninyo, you can directly post here, no, add photo, and then dito ka mismo mag-upload sa option na ito. Okay. No, and then be open to all the isa sa mga pinaka-importanteng part o pinaka-importanteng purpose ng group natin siguro is para mas malaman natin yung mga pros and cons ng mga gawa natin, kung ano ba ang kulang, kung ano ba yung mga dapat idagdag, kung okay ba, no? Okay, so kung magkaroon man kayo o makarinig kayo ng iba't ibang critics sa mga fellow artists ninyo, huwag nyo masyadong dibdibin, no? So, actually, giving critic is a simple way of giving appreciation do sa ginawa mo, no? So, ibig sabihin, pag critic nila, na-appreciate nila yon. Okay. Okay. Anyway, pagdating sa pagkikritik naman, huwag masyadong harsh, okay? Gumamit, huwag masyadong, never mong ta-trash talkin yung pagko-commentan mo, no? Kasi automatic you'll be masisintensyahan ka ng mga admin natin. Okay, so be polite when giving comments. Okay, so what else? Okay, so doon sa mga bago-baguhan pa lang regarding the in creating arts, no? Malamang itanong ninyo sa akin kung ano ba yung vector art, ano ba yung vexel, no? So, kuminsan nga din napagbabaliktad ko yan. Actually, vector art, ang ibig sabihin ng vector art is yung artwork na ginawa sa isang vector graphic application. Okay? So, actually maraming terminologies regarding the vector, no? Pero yung sarili kong explanation na lang kung tatanungin niyo ako is ganito. For example, a sample of a vector graphic application is the Adobe Illustrator. So, I can say that an artwork is a vector if your piece is a vector if you, for example, I draw a shape here like that, and then if I zoom in, you can see the lines are crisp, smooth, malinaw na malinaw. So, vector yon. Okay. So, gumawa ng logo dito, no? Okay. Now, yung vexel naman, vector, how about vexel? So, vexel art, normally, ginagawa yan sa isang pixel-based application, such as, kanina, I use Illustrator. Right now, I opened Photoshop. Okay. Pag sinabing pixel-based or raster-based, okay, I will create a new canvas right there. Just like what I did dun sa Illustrator, gagawa ko ng shape here. Okay. For example, that. So, I did a shape. Okay. Let's try to zoom in again. Kung makikita tayo ng here, as you zoom in, you can clearly see pixels, no? So, pixels, ano nga bang pixels? Okay, so pixels, those are the tiny dots or squares that made up the whole image, no? Normally, makikita mo lang yan pag nagbukas ka sa isang raster-based program or pixel-based application. Okay? So, later, pag na-try nyo nang gumawa ng art on both application, mas ma-appreciate nyo kung ano nga ba talaga yung pinagkaiba ng vector sa pixel-based, no? So, pero normal ang tawag kasi dito, sabi ko nga kanina, is vexel instead of pixel, pixel art, na vexel. Kasi, tinawag siyang vexel. It's a combination of the word vector and pixel. Kasi, kung ano yung mga ginagawa mong shapes dito sa vector graphic application such as the Illustrator, you can clearly or smoothly create shapes. Pwede rin dito sa Photoshop, makakagawa ka rin ng smooth shapes. Yun nga lang kasi, as you zoom in, you can see pixels. Okay? So, may mga magandang gawin dito sa Photoshop, may mga mas magandang gawin rin dito sa Illustrator. Okay? So, may kanya-kanyang field yung mga yan. Okay? Hopefully, in the mga susunod na araw, makapag-post ako ng ilang tutorials regarding doon sa paggamit nitong Illustrator. Okay, so bukod doon sa dalawang samples na binigay ko, the vector and the vexel art, meron pang isa no? Sa mga pinaka gusto kong gawin, no? Here in the field of digital art, which is the DigiPaint or digital paint, no? Normally, ang DigiPaint kasi ginagawa rin yan sa isang pixel-based application, pero mas madali siyang gawin kapag meron kang tinatawag na tablet device, no, or the device na plug and play USB device where you have a tablet and you have a pen, then this will act as your mouse. Mas mapapadali kang mag-drawing. Sa mga paborito kong sa mga pinaka-idolo kong DigiPainter, no? So parang manual style of painting, no, pero gawa siya sa computer, no, digitalized. So where's Sir Romel here? Sir Romel, or his screen name there, you can see Mr. Reyes Lateo or si Sir Romel Reyes. Mapapansin niyo dito, yan. Okay, yan yung mga gawa niya. Okay? So, caricature, no? Ibang-iba yung style ng DigiPaint sa vector and pixel arts. Okay? So, I think, yun lang muna sa ngayon, guys. No? May mga iba pa kayong katanungan. Just feel free to post or ask, and let's try to answer them. Okay, so, that's all. Thank you, and have a good day.